How to change the tooth belt for the Lägler TRIO. The tooth belt, or the belt that turns the 3 sanding discs of the Lägler TRIO, is pretty important. If it's not in good shape, you're not able to do your best at sanding the floor. In this video, and the related blog post on our website, LäglerNorthAmerica.com, we give step-by-step instructions for removing the current belt and replacing it with a new belt. How to remove the tooth belt. Starting with the machine turned off and unplugged from power. Lock the handle into its forward position using the clamping lever at the front of the handle. Lean the TRIO backward to rest safely on the 2 protective cushions at the back and bottom of the machine's frame and on the guide tube. Remove the sanding plates by grabbing the edges and pulling the plates straight away from the machine, disengaging the TRIO's 3 prongs or locking bolts from their rubber jigs. Do not use a screwdriver or other tool to pry the plates away from the machine. Prying with tools can cause damage. Remove the 8 screws of the cover and remove the cover. It's recommended that you check the sealing felt on the inside of the cover and replace as needed. Loosen the counter nut of the belt tensioner using a 17mm wrench by turning the nut all the way back against the casing wall. Expand the spring by turning the second nut back to the counter nut. Push the belt tensioner back and remove the belt. Use a vacuum to remove dust and debris inside and around the pulley mechanism. How to insert a new tooth belt. Push the belt tensioner all the way back to the casing wall. Insert the new belt with the geared side facing and engaging the pinion gearing, with the flat side of the belt skirting the gear bearings. Incorrectly inserting the belt can cause damage to the machine. Tighten the spring using the nuts to adjust the spring to the proper length. With an orange spring, the proper length is 55mm, or approximately 2 1/8 inches. A blue spring should be adjusted to 52mm in length, or approximately 2 inches. Replace the cover, fastening it with the 8 screws previously removed. Do so by hand, to be careful not to strip the threads. Then mount each sanding plate by first inserting one of its 3 prongs, or locking bolts, into one of the rubber jigs. Then fitting the other 2 into their respective positions, and you can press the plate into position as far as it will go. The belt replacement is complete. Stand up the TRIO, readjust the handle to your preferred height, and you're ready to go. Learn more about the Lägler TRIO and other Lägler sanding machines on our blog and our website at LäglerNorthAmerica.com. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and subscribe to our monthly email newsletter, also on our website.